Today's Project Diaries is going to be something slightly different because I'm still being shadow banned. But in today's video, I will be unboxing my 100,000 subscriber silver award from YouTube.
Hi guys, welcome to Project Diaries. Now I know I've not been around for a while, but today I'm actually recording this today. A lot of my other videos are from years ago and months ago, but this is today. So how are you all doing? I know it's been a while, but today's video I want to do something special. I know it's getting near Christmas and we all deserve a present after this terrible year. So I've got this box. Now I've had this in my possession for it has been 2 years to the day. I don't know if you saw this video, but when you're on YouTube you can get an award once you hit 100,000 subscribers, and I did that 2 years ago. So I want to show you this award. I've been saving this for you guys. I know I've not been well enough to do this for a while, but I'm going to do this today. But before I get into it, I'm still being shadow banned, so if you can watch this video all the way till the end, that will really help the algorithm. If you can like and subscribe. Also, if you've been subscribed before, check to see if you're still subscribed. I've had thousands of people tell me that they've been unsubscribed automatically. There's some weird stuff going on within YouTube. I've done another video on that, so you can go and check it out later on. But yeah, I just don't know how to get over this shadow banning, so I want to do this video today so we can have some fun, have something to look forward to, and open this present. I just can't wait. But yeah, let's get into it.
So here's the package that YouTube sent me, and I'm amazed that it came within 2 weeks. That's such a quick turnaround. But like I say, I've held on to this package for 2 years just so I could share this moment with you. YouTube actually offers 3 different awards, one at 100,000, one at 1 million, and one at 10 million subscribers. But I was even so thankful to make it to 10,000, let alone 100,000. So thank you all so much for being a part of this and showing so much love and support over the past 5 years. I've absolutely loved learning as I go and sharing my knowledge with new videos, and I love it. It's fantastic. And I'm absolutely overwhelmed at the passionate community that this channel's helped to build. A big thanks to G for being the new moderator, and just thank you all so much for sharing your success, your passion, your love, and amazing photos. I never thought in a million years that building a shed for my granddad in his back garden would give me global success. And the fact it's given me amazing opportunities like being on national TV and meeting some of my childhood heroes. I really hope the worst of my health problems are behind me and I can really push this channel into some amazing places next year. So here we go. Drum roll please. I'm really excited for this. So it looks like I've got a business card or a thank you card. Congratulations. Thanks Rick. And a letter from YouTube themselves. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you create. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour. I have got in trouble quite a bit for my sense of humour. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this Silver Creators Award. A small token of our esteem and respect. We know you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Well, they're absolutely right about that. Now I'm sure you read that faster than I did, so I just want to get into opening this award. Now look at that! Look at it! You can see my smiley face reflecting in it. And I've got Project Diaries written on it. Amazing! Now the question is, am I going to hang it in the shed or in my house? Let me know in a comment below what you think I should do with this. Awesome!
How amazing is that? Wow! That's incredible! I can't believe it's got Project Diaries on it. It's embossed as well. That is absolutely... We did this. Not me, we. If it wasn't for this... It's been a really tough year. I know everyone's having a hard time, but yeah, it's been tricky. And I've said in many videos that Project Diaries has really helped me escape from stuff that's been going on, and this just means so much that I didn't think I was going to get this emotional. The Project Diaries community means so much to me. And I know it means so much to a lot of people. It really helps people just escape and get away from life and just chat about one subject. It doesn't matter what gender you are, what sex, race, creed, religion, it just doesn't matter. To get back to nature and just get back to the grassroots of growing and looking after yourself and health and providing for yourself. It's a skill that I wish everybody would learn, not just through my videos, but just in general, to help the planet, help each other. Oh, this is some weird acceptance speech. But yeah, I mean, I've tried to keep a lot of my troubles away from this channel, but this channel has helped me so much. And the people and the support and the love that this channel's got and has given me and other people is just priceless. I can't thank you enough. Oh God, pull it together, man. It really is, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you to those people that have been helping me. You know, just some people that have just been messaging me, other people that have been supporting me through Patreon and PayPal. I will leave a message and I'll do the names at the end of this video. I know I've really struggled to get back to a lot of people. I decided to come off social media for a couple of months because my mental health was getting really bad, but this means so much to me, and I really hope you can feel a part of this. You've helped this happen, and the fact that we're pushing more towards 400,000 subscribers now. The next one is the gold at 1 million, so let's see if we can get there. But honestly, guys, seriously, I know this has been a really tough year, and I know that a lot of people are struggling at the moment, but if you do, I've unfortunately lost a few friends this year, and depression and loneliness is rife around this time. I know it's about friends, family, being together, and unfortunately, because of the global situation, there's a lot of people that can't do that. And I just want to reach out and reassure people that things are going to be all right. We can push through. We are stronger than we think we are. And wow, I had no idea this was going to have this effect on me. It means so much to me, and I wish I could share that more. I wish I could be there more, but I will. I'm getting back on my feet, and my next few videos are going to explain how I've managed to just fix so much of my health issues and my life problems, and you know, just help me get back on my feet. It's been remarkable what I've taught myself and what I've learned over the past few years, and I'm hoping that information can then help others. But yeah, man, I'm sorry, I didn't realise this was going to happen. But yeah, like I say, I'm going to do a thank you at the end of this for those very special people that have been reaching out to me. Everything's going to be okay, and if you are in a dark place, please reach out on the Project Diaries group. The link's here, the link's in the description. You're not on your own. You might feel isolated, but you know, together 100,000, 400,000 people, we can unite and we can share love and passion for one subject, and let's just try and get through all of this. Guys, thank you so much. Please make sure that you have liked and subscribed. Check the bell button, click all notifications as you can. I want to get over this shadow banning and try and get back on track with things, but you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Doesn't matter which religion you are, please enjoy the holidays. Please stay safe, look after yourself, look after each other, and reach out to somebody. Please just talk to somebody, whether it's somebody you talk to every day or someone you haven't spoke to in years. That one phone call could change somebody's life. That video chat, just reaching out, just to know that you're looking out for others and that you care. Just please, it's incredible what one conversation could do for someone. Oh, anyway, pulling myself together. Look after yourself. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you again soon. Good luck. Merry Christmas.
Now I just want to take this time to give a big thank you to you for making it this far into the video. I'd really love to give a very big and special thank you to Diana. I really appreciate the support you have for this channel. Tom, thank you as well. Geraldine, Karen and Carla, The Threadless Store, Jen, Hillary, Virginia and Matthew, thank you so much. Now I'm so fortunate to get messages from people all around the world, so I really hope I'm getting your name right. Thank you to Arbanov, Kathy, Miroslava, Jacqueline, a big thank you to Amy, thank you to Humaira and Laura, thank you so much. I don't have a name for you, but thanks for engineering and design, really appreciate the support. Also Royne, Gloria, Steve, Jack, Sandra and Ginger, I hope you're all doing great. A huge thank you to Kelly and Marion, and a big thank you to everybody who supported me on Patreon, including Alexander, Dave, Alina, Ariel, Heather, Liz, Jack, Trista, Mia and Nick, the artist LaFay, Melissa, Bo, and a big thank you to Cindy. Thank you to Mandy, Christoph, Chris and Amy. It's great to see your names pop up again. Thank you to Jean, Carolyn, Kim, Amy, Alla, Chrissia, Keat, Voeva, Debbie, Gavin, Maeve, Carrie, Mike, Gillian, Amanda, Storm, and a massive thank you to Jean for giving me my first fan art of Grandad. It was absolutely special and I will cherish them forever. Thank you all so much for your support. I wish you all the best for the new year and happy holidays. If you'd like to keep up to date on all of my future videos, you can click the subscribe button here. Here are some links to some of my regular gardening videos. And don't forget to join the Facebook gardening group where thousands of people are sharing photos and ideas daily. Thanks for watching, and I really hope I can return with more gardening videos soon. Take care.